Simplify x squared minus 9 divided by the quantity of x minus 3 squared. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to factor the numerator and denominator. Okay, so factor natin yung numerator, x squared minus 9. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang factor dyan. So, isang x sa first factor and x sa second factor. Since negative yan, so this is sum and difference, plus and minus. Then, factor natin yung 9, that is 3. Okay, kapag i-multiply natin yan, x plus 3 times x minus 3, the result is x squared minus 9. Okay, then, divided by, so, x minus 3 squared, the quantity of x minus 3 squared, ibig sabihin, you have to double that one. So, x minus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin dito, since meron tayong the same, di ba? Si x minus 3. So, i-cancel natin yan. Kasi kapag i-divide natin yan, the result is 1. So, ang naiwan dito, x plus 3 sa numerator, din dito sa baba, x minus 3. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.